Alright, scrappers, the hard hats came in. These are for when we're on site tearing down the cell phone towers. What do you guys think? One decal on the front and that's it, or one on the front and back? I'm just going to do one on the front for now, until I find the rest of my decals. Let's see if I get this on there straight. Kind of messed up. A couple creases in it right there, but they're air release, so maybe they'll flatten out. Test her out. Needs some adjustment, but not too bad. Check it out. It was either buy one for like 24 a piece or buy 12 for $41, so at least I have them, because you need them at the landfill too. So OSHA comes rolling around while we're on job site tearing down cell phone tower. I just need little recycling symbols for it now. Brad, my decal guy.